In this video, I go over how to take a Lyft ride using the most current version of the Lyft Passenger app. Opening our Lyft Passenger app, we're greeted with this screen showing our current location by the blue dot. We can also see frequent destinations or saved home and work locations here. Some marketplaces have Lyft scooter options shown here. The Lyft app will ask, "Where are you going?" So let's click on Search Destination. Your phone will automatically detect your current location and use that for the pickup. Now let's click on this box to select our drop-off or ending destination. Here you can type the name of your ending destination or the address. Typing the name of the location will give us several options shown here, and we'll click on the appropriate option. Now we're presented with our ride options screen, giving us several Lyft options to choose from. The default ride is a standard Lyft ride shown here. You'll not only see the ride type, but how many passengers can use that ride option. You'll be also shown a price quote, any discounts, and an estimated time for arrival. Lyft has many ride options as well, everything from sharing your ride with other passengers to Lyft XL for more passengers and more. Once finding a ride option that works for you, click on Select Lyft. Now you'll be paired with nearby drivers. Once paired with your driver, you'll see this screen showing you information about your driver, the vehicle, and the estimated time for the driver's arrival. You can monitor your driver's ETA within the Lyft Passenger app. The app will also give you information about the driver, including the driver's name, driver's picture, vehicle make and model, vehicle license plate, and driver rating. Once meeting your driver and confirming the correct vehicle, you'll see this screen while on your trip. During your ride, you have options to leave a tip for your driver, editing your ride as far as ending destination or adding a stop, safety tools, and contact information. Once arriving to your destination, you'll see this screen. Payment for your ride is automatically generated through the Lyft app by the payment method you've chosen on your profile.